Hi, I'm Arizona lawyer Julie LaBenz. I'm here with my son, Gabriel, because sometimes you've got to multitask as a parent. I wanted to talk about how to more effectively communicate with your spouse when you're going through a divorce, in particular the initial stages of a divorce. I've seen this come up in a lot of my cases, and it's come up a lot recently. It is August of 2018 right now, and there seems to be a lot of drama, a lot of explosive energy going on right now. Maybe it's just a Sedona woo-woo thing, I don't know. But I wouldn't be surprised if I heard that other divorce attorneys are seeing this as well. So let's get to the information that you want to hear, which is how do you better effectively communicate with your spouse when you're going through a divorce. And one of the first steps is to start to decipher what sort of dialogue is going to move you forward. Okay, what topics, what's constructive in helping you reach a resolution and helping you move forward to an agreement. If you've got a divorce where the only issue on the table is the division of your community property, then what can you do to focus the conversation around achieving a fair division of your property? Do you need to get some sort of documentation? Does an appraisal need to be done? Do you need to get account statements, retirement account balances? That's where a dialogue between you and your spouse can be much more effective if you're actually focused on talking about things that are going to get you to a resolution versus the drama of this is your fault, I'm upset with you because of XYZ. And many of you know exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm not saying that you're wrong for wanting to address these issues or needing to get them off your chest. It's just the issue is having that discussion, is that going to help you resolve anything? Other than maybe some short-term personal satisfaction, but maybe not. Is it going to help you resolve your divorce? Probably not. Arizona is a no-fault divorce state, so the courts aren't going to get into those issues either. But really what you want to start doing is focusing on what is important in the divorce, what is the information you need, and then how can you talk about those issues and try to reach a resolution. I'm Arizona lawyer Julie LaBenz. You can learn more about me at julielabenz.com. I welcome you to watch more of my videos here on Facebook, on YouTube. I also have a Facebook page if you want to go over to Facebook. And I help people get divorced in 90 days. Yes, 90 days agreed upon, no court, just a fair, we could say conscious uncoupling, we could say amicable divorce. It doesn't mean that it's a completely 100% smooth process, because there is drama, there are emotions, there are difficult discussions that need to be had. But it is much better, in my experience, than the alternative of duking it out in court, being in court for months, if not years, draining your bank account or potentially your kid's college fund down on attorney's fees, and suffering through a great deal of unneeded stress and worry. So I like to provide an alternative, which is what I call a 90-day divorce. I offer that here in Arizona, and welcome you to learn more about getting divorced in Arizona in 90 days. Thanks.